Here we are going to explore a C program that reads and displays the details of multiple students using an array of structures. Structures in C allow us to group different data types together, making it easier to manage and organize complex data. Hash include stdio.h. We begin by including the standard input-output library, which provides functions like printf and scanf for printing to the console and reading user input. We define a structure named student to hold the details of a student. This structure contains a character array name of size 20 to store the student's name, an integer rn to store the roll number, a float mark to store the total marks obtained by the student. We declare an array st of size 50 to hold the details for up to 50 students. Main function. Void main is a main function. In this main function, we first prompt the user to enter the number of students. We use a loop to prompt the user to enter the name, roll number, and total marks for each student. We use scanf to read these values from the user and store them in the respective fields of the structure array st. We use another loop to display the details of each student in a formatted manner. We prompt the user to enter the number of students. We use scanf to read this number and store it in the variable n. We use a loop to iterate from 0 to n-1. For each iteration, we prompt the user to enter the student's name, roll number, and total marks. We read these values using scanf and store them in the respective fields of the structure array st of I. We use another loop to iterate from 0 to n-1. For each iteration, we print the student's details using printf. %s prints the student's name from st of I.name. %e prints the roll number from st of I.rn. Point to f prints the total mark from st of I.mark with 2 decimal places for better readability. When we run the program, it asks for the number of students we want to give the name, roll number, and total marks. I had given here 3, and I had given the name as Alan, roll number 34, and total mark 98, and I had also given other 2 examples. And when we get the output, it will be as the details of the students given, and that's all.